Are you ready to transform your financial future with minimal effort? Today, we're diving into Earn More, 6 passive income ideas for 2025 that could set you up for success without the constant grind. Imagine making money while you sleep. Sounds too good to be true? Well, buckle up as we explore these lucrative avenues. Idea number 1, dive into digital products. Think eBooks, courses, or even digital art. Once created, they sell over and over again with no additional cost. Ask yourself, what knowledge can I package that others would benefit from? Here's the thing, your one-time effort could reap rewards for years. And what if I told you that you could make money just by letting someone else use your assets? That's right. Idea number 2, rent out your belongings. From a spare room on Airbnb to your car on Turo, these platforms help you make money from things you already own. The key here is to ensure your assets are in top shape to fetch the best price. It's like finding money in your coat pocket. Now, let's shift gears. Idea number 3, invest in dividend stocks. A classic for a reason. By investing in stable companies that pay regular dividends, you essentially get paid to own a piece of the business. Remember, it's important to do your research or consult with a financial advisor to pick the right stocks. Feeling enthusiastic yet? But wait, there's more. Idea number 4, create an app. In our tech-driven world, a clever app can be a goldmine. Whether it's a productivity tool or an entertaining game, apps can generate significant revenue through ads or in-app purchases. Think about a problem you can solve and start sketching your app today. Ever heard of making money by just keeping your money? Well, let me introduce you to our next idea. Idea number 5, peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Lending Club or Prosper allow you to lend money to individuals in the form of personal loans. You earn interest just like a bank does. Sure, there's risk involved, but there's also the potential for attractive returns. And for our final revelation, idea number 6, license your photos. If you're a photographer, sites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock offer a platform to sell your photos. Every download means cash in your pocket. The more photos you upload, the more passive income you can generate. Just envision the possibilities with these ideas as we head towards 2025. Start small, take calculated risks, and let your money work for you. Now, I have a special bonus for you. If you loved understanding these passive income streams, then you'll want to make sure you're staying healthy to enjoy the fruits of your hard work. Click on the end screen to check out 2 critical health tips you shouldn't ignore. And don't forget, subscribe and comment below to join our daily journey towards a more fulfilling life. Every day could be the day you find another way to boost your income and your health. Thanks for watching, and let's catch up in the comments or on our next video.